are in my shot.
Nag-propose na nga ba si Joem Bascon ngayon kay Meryl Soriano? Napakabongga ng inihandang intimate dinner celebration sa Bohol at ang sorpresa niya ay napakaganda. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Napasaya talaga ni Joem si Meryl sa kanyang sorpresa. Nagpahanda na isang long table by the beach para sa kanilang dinner setup with Baby Guido at sa panganay ni Meryl. Inihatid naman si Meryl Soriano ng kanyang bunsong anak na si Guido sa aisle para salubungin naman ito ni Joem Bascon.
You are in my shot. You are in my shot.
Marami nga ang nagtatanong kung ito na nga daw ba ang proposal ni Joem kay Meryl dahil super intimate at may pa-sweet dance pa ang dalawa habang may background music at live performer. Nagpapasalamat naman si Meryl Soriano sa Mithi Resort dahil napakaganda ng kanilang stay doon kasama ang kanyang pamilya.
Grabe, sobrang sarap dito sa Mithi. resort and spa. Look at this view. Oh my God, Gita-chan. You like it all? Oh? Do you know? See? What's that? Green, that's right. Green and blue. Yes. Thank you so much, Mickey, for making my 40th vacation super special and super chill. Getting ready for life, getting ready for everything that's going to be a blessing for this new decade of my life. So thank you for being part of it. Thank you so much. Say thank you. Say thank you.